Dogs are incredibly loyal creatures that will often push through intense physical discomfort just to keep their owners happy. Unlike humans, they cannot tell us when their heart is racing or when their joints feel like they are on fire. As a responsible pet owner, you must learn to read the subtle language of their bodies before a small issue becomes a life-threatening emergency. Sign number 1. One of the most overlooked signs is head pressing. If you see your dog constantly pressing their forehead against a wall or a hard object for no apparent reason, this is not a funny quirk. It is often a sign of neurological damage or poisoning that requires immediate veterinary attention. Sign number 2. Another critical warning is excessive panting when the environment is cool. If your dog is breathing heavily while resting in a shaded or air-conditioned room, it could indicate heat stroke, heart failure, or severe internal anxiety that they are struggling to control. A dog's relationship with food is usually their strongest instinct, so any sudden change in their eating habits is a major red flag. Sign number 3. While many owners think their dog is just being picky, a sudden loss of appetite or difficulty swallowing can point to dental infections, kidney disease, or even certain types of cancer. Sign number 4. You must also watch their gait or the way they walk. It isn't just about limping. If your dog is suddenly hesitant to climb stairs, jumping off the couch, or if their back legs seem a bit shaky, they might be suffering from silent joint pain or hip dysplasia. Often, dogs will hide this by wagging their tails, even when they are in pain, which leads many owners to believe everything is fine when it truly isn't. Recognizing these physical shifts early can add years to your best friend's life. Perhaps the most telling sign of all is a sudden change in personality. If your normally social dog starts hiding in dark corners, under the bed, or becomes unusually aggressive when touched, they are likely trying to protect themselves from the world because they feel vulnerable and hurt. Sometimes, clinginess is also a sign. If your dog won't leave your side and is constantly shivering or whining, they are literally crying out for your comfort. In conclusion, being a dog owner is a silent contract of trust. They give us their whole lives, and in return, we must be observant enough to see the pain they try so hard to hide. Never ignore your gut feeling. If something feels off about your dog's behavior, it probably is. Your quick action today could be the reason they are still by your side tomorrow.